recorded. You can always go back. I'll share the link. So we'll start from the basic. Please don't interrupt. So let's draw a chart. Course will be here and students will be here. Okay, course will be here and students will be here. So I'll give this course BA. Okay, BA course, there are 120 students, and BSc course there are 150 students, and BCom students, BCom there are 100 students. BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, is 80, and next is BCA, Bachelor of Computer, okay, is 50. So this is the chart. This is the simplest chart that can come. Okay, this is the simplest chart that can come, but from here you have to learn. Like you can't start from difficult questions directly because we're not the same. So the first question will be, what is the total students? Just give me answer in the chat box. Do it. Give me answer. What is the total number of students? Total number of students. I'm waiting. Total number of students. Give me in the chat box. What's the total number of students? You need to be fast in even in calculating. Okay. Total number of students. What is it? Total number of students. What is it? If you plus everything 0 0 0 0 5 2 or 7 8, then the total comes up to 500 students. Okay, this is the first question. Someone wants to join it. Wait, let me just accept it. Okay, this is total student 500 students. And next, what percentage of students are in BSc? Percentage of students in BSc. Someone give me the answer. How many students are there in BC? What is BSc, Bachelor of Science? What is the percent? Here. Give me percentage of students in BSc. Chat box. I'm waiting in the chat box. Quick. Percentage of students in BSc. Take out your rough book. What is the percentage of students in BSc? See, how you will do it is, you take the number of students. Okay, you'll take the number of students. How much is the number of students? Come on, I need some interaction. At least voice or through chat. Just once, okay? Yeah. Come on. How much students are there? I need some interaction, or else I can't talk by myself, okay? Am I audible? No, 500 is the total number of students, okay? I'm talking about the number of students in BSc. So in BSc, number of BSc students you have to take is 150, okay? 150, and total number is how much? Total number of students is 500, okay? So if you're trying to find the percent of students, you have to do like number of BSc divided by total number of students, okay? Total students. So if it's like that, answer will be 150. How much? 150 by 500. Number of BSc divided by total number, multiply how much? 100. Why are we using 100? Because we are trying to find out the percentage, okay? So I'll tell you how to do it. You can cancel this out, okay? You can cancel this out, okay? 0 0 you'll cancel it, and 5, what are 5 3 are, okay? So answer is 30%. Now do you get it? Total number of BSc students is 30%, okay? Now let's go to next question. Like next follow-up question is, what is the ratio? Okay, what is the ratio? What? I need some interaction, okay? I need some interaction. What is the ratio of BCom to BCA students? Just see BCom and BCA. How many BCom do we have? Give me the answers. How many BCom students? How many BCom students we have? BCom students equal to 100, right? So what about BCA?
Yeah.
BCA students we have 50, right? So they're asking ratio. Okay, how you are going to do ratio is you take this. These are basic stuff, but we can't skip. Okay, 100 is to 50, you'll do like this. Okay, but it is not done. You can cancel it out. Okay, like this, cancel it out. And 5 1 is 5, 5 2 are, so answer is 2 is to 1. This is the ratio. Do you get it? You get it? Ratio
Yes.
of BCom to BCA. So
Yes.
the basis of UGC NET paper 1 is similar to this kind. Okay, a little bit more difficult than this, but these are the basic. Okay, so now we'll do pie chart based questions. I'll just write it down. Pie chart based questions. So like circular chart will be like this. Okay, circular chart will be drawn like this, and it will be written like this. Okay, rent is 30%. Okay, and salary is 25%, and marketing is 20%. I'll write down everything. Okay, don't worry. Utilities is 15%, and miscellaneous is 10%. So I'll write down. Question will come like this. Okay, I think you're familiar with this. So let me just write down everything again. Pie chart based questions. Okay, these are rent is equal to 30%. Okay, salaries is equal to 25%. Marketing is 20%, and utilities is 15%. Okay, miscellaneous is 10%. So you just add it up. Total is 100%. Okay, total has to be 100%. Okay, so now question comes. Okay, question comes question comes just once. Question is there: how much is spent in marketing? How much is spent in marketing? They are not asking about the percent. So the total is the budget is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh rupees monthly budget. This is the budget. So they are asking how much is spent in marketing. Can you find it out? How much percent is marketing? Tell me, how much percent is marketing?
20.
20%, right? So you'll write
Yeah.
like this: percent of marketing is 20%. Total budget is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. So what is the amount they are asking? The amount. So you'll write like this: 20% of 1 lakh. So that means if you're writing percent, 20 by 100 will come out like this. Okay, and off will turn into multiply. Okay, and 1 lakh will be like this. So you just cut this, you just cancel this, and answer will be what? 20,000. Okay, how do you find out 20,000? Just count the number of zero. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So the amount is 20,000 bus. That's it. Okay, do you get it? Now next question: what is the difference between rent and utilities? Difference between rent and utilities. Do this while I just go to the washroom. Just a second. Difference between rent and utilities. So for here you will find out the amount of rent and the amount of utilities, and you'll subtract that. Okay, that is rent. I'll give you like 2 minutes. I'll just go. Wait, okay, just give me a second. Let me just go. Okay, I'm back. Can you find it out already? So let's just see.
Okay.
How much do you get for rent?
For rent, 30,
30, right?
30,000.
30,000. Okay, okay. Just once. I just went to the west room. Rent equal to 30,000. And utilities, how much utilities?
15,000.
15,000. So if you subtract it, just find difference here. Difference is equal to how much?
15,000.
15,000. So that's it. Okay. It's so easy DI for unit. Okay. And next, let's move on. The next question is related to this as well. Um, if the salary is expenses, if the salary expenses increased by 20%, okay, 20%, um, what would be the new amount? So just see salary. How much percentage is salary? How much percentage is salary?
25%.
25%, right? So let's find out the original. Okay, original salary. Okay, original salary. Let's find out original salary first. Original salary equal to 25% of 1 lakh. From where do I take 1 lakh? 1 lakh. Because it's given in the question. See, I already circled this. 1 lakh is the budget. So you'll find out the original first. So 25 divided by 100 multiply 1 lakh. You'll just cancel this out. And what will it be? 25,000, right? 25,000 is the original salary. Okay, original salary. This is the original salary. So now it talks about increase by 20. So new salary. Let's say new salary increase by 20%. Okay, how much? See, increase by 20% means 120%. It will be 120% now. Okay, because 100 is the base. Okay, 100 is the base, so it is increased by 20%. So it will be like this. So it means 120% of 120% of just try this. 120%. 120 by 100 equal to 1.2. Okay, if you divide. Okay, so if you multiply this with 25,000 with the original salary, the answer, just use calculator. Just use calculator. 25,000 multiply 1.2. 1.2 to go. 1.2, it's 30,000. Okay, this is the new salary. You get it? So I'll repeat here again. I'll just repeat here again, or just try like this direct. See, when it says increase by 20%, or for example, if it says decrease by, let's say if it says decrease by 20%, decrease by 20%, you'll do like this: 100 minus 20. Okay, so the new person will be 80%, like that. So since it says increase by 20%, 100 is the base, 100 plus 20, this is the increase amount. Okay, so 120% of original is 25. Okay, so you'll write like this: 120 divided by 100 multiply 25,000 is how much? 30,000. You get it? So these are the basis. We'll do थोड़ा like difficult, like ahak sa dev di. um Wait, okay. Line graph based question. Let's do graph based questions. So the chart will be like this. The chart will be like this. We have One, two, three, six, 6 months. We have 6 months. This is the month, okay, and this is the sales. This is paper one. And January, we have January here, February here, February, March, April, April, May. Okay, no, it's 5 months actually. Sorry, 5 months. We have 5 months, and in January the sales was 20. Okay, they sold 20 units, and in February it was 25, March 30, 35, and May. You will get this. Okay, you'll get this from the question. You'll get this from the question. And now let's solve it. What is the percent? So question will be like this. What is the percentage increase in sales from January to May? Okay, they're asking that. So first you have to see how much was it in January. So you'll write like this. Jan- January equal to 20. Okay, January equal to 20. Then how much in May? May equal to, how much is in May? 40.
40.
So you will find the difference, okay, because they are asking for percentage increase. So you'll find the difference. If they're asking about percentage increase, they'll you'll write about difference. So 40 minus 20 equal to 20. So difference is 20. Okay. And now, or if you want, you can do like this. Um, Difference in sales, okay, divided by January. See, there is one rule in maths. Okay, in one rule, you will always base it on this first one wala. You'll always base on this. Okay, the ye wala, because it says from January to May. What? How much difference is there? So your basis will be on January. Difference in sales divided by sales in January. Okay, multiply um, multiply 100 because we are searching for percentage. Okay, so difference in sales is how much? 40 minus 20 divided by sales in January. How much is sales in January? 20 multiply 100. So answer will be what? 40 minus 20 is 20 divided by 20 multiply 100 is 1. So it is 100%. It is the difference in sales. Okay. So we'll do a lot like this. Difference in sales divided by sales in January. Like the first one. First one wala. You'll always do it. And next question is like, what is the average monthly sales? Average monthly sales. Just find out. Average monthly sales. Do you know how to find out average? You know how to find out average? How to do average? Let me just give you a quick, like for example, let's say three people, okay? Ram, Sam, and John, let's say. They have 10 rupees. This guy has 20 rupees and this guy has 15 rupees. So what is their average money, let's say? Well, let's yeah. So how do you find average? Is you'll add all these, you'll plus all these, okay? Divided by the number of unit, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 people, so you'll just write by 3. Okay, this is how to find average. So 30, 45, right? 45 by 3 is 15. So average amount is 15. Do you get it? It's so easy, right? Simply like that, just like that, average monthly sales, you will plus everything. Plus vec the. Okay, 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 divided by number of units. How much unit is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just give me, let me wait. What is your answer?
30.
Just once. Hmm. Oh, class project niya ba imantala. Nasa logan ka. Oh, no ka. Oh, but ba? So let's find out. What is the total of Uparwala?
150.
20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 is 150. Okay. 150 divided by 5 is how much? 30.
30.
That's it. Okay. It's so easy, right? Then next questions. Let's do bar graph based question. Okay, I'll explain all the different types of questions, and the difficulty level will increase thora 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 like that. Next question will be car. Okay, car. Graph will behave like this. 1 2 3 4 5. So dealer will be here. There are five dealers. Dealer A, dealer B, dealer C, dealer D, dealer E. And cars, how many cars did they sold? This guy A sold 50, B sold 70, C sold 90, and D sold 60, and E sold 30. Okay, so find out the total. What is the total cars sold? How much did they sold? How much cars?
300.
300. Oh, Alex is a good guy, like a good student. 300 cars. Okay, it may look simple, but this stuff come in the exam. Okay, if you don't know anything to do. What is the average number of cars? Average number of cars. 50 plus 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 30 divided by 1 2 3 4 5. How much do you get? It's 300. Okay, upper wala is 300 and downside is 5, so it's 60 cars. Average is 60 cars. Okay, then next question. Dealer C, it's a tricky question now. uh, Dealer C sold what percentage more cars than more cars than dealer A? So how can you do that? See, trick question. Okay, trick question. Like I said, whenever question comes like this, then after then zoa zika mo. Hey, this is very important. Okay, what comes after then? Dealer A, right? So you keep this in mind. Okay, whenever question comes like this, the thing that comes after then, do you get it, Alex? Then zaucha
Yes.
mika, just after then. Okay, so this will go under here. Okay, dealer A. For example, like A is equal to 30, B equal to 60. If it's like this, and question comes like um how how much is B more than A? If question comes like this, I just mentioned like then A, right? Then what comes after then? So A will be in the downside. Okay, do you get it? That's how you do trick. Okay, A will come in the downside. This is a mathematical reasoning shortcut method. Okay, whenever question is asked like this, what comes after THA and then will be written in the downside. Okay, so similarly here, dealer C sold what percentage more cars than dealer A? So dealer A is after THA and then, so dealer A will be in the downside, and you'll write upar mein, you'll write difference between dealer C and dealer A. Do you get it? Okay. In the top side, you will minus dealer C and dealer A, and in the downside, dealer A will be there. Automatic, just know like that. Okay, that is the trick. That is the trick in every DI question. So, what is the difference? Let's see dealer C. How much is dealer C? Dealer C is 90, right?
Hmm.
90 minus what? How much is dealer A?
50.
Yes, what should be in the downside? Dealer A. I hope you know which one to put here, right? I hope you know which one to put downside. you will put downside for stuff that are mentioned after THA and then. Okay, so you will put dealer A is 50, and since they are asking about how much percentage, you will add 100. Okay, like that, 100. So answer will be 90 minus 50 is 40, multiply 50,
40.
multiply 100, and you'll just deduct like this. Okay, 5 8 are 40, so 80%. Do you get it? So easy, right? But it's thora tricky. Okay, let's see a little bit more. Now we'll go to a little bit more advanced now. Okay, a little bit more advanced. These questions will come, okay, in the exam. These questions will come in paper one. I hope you get it. Now a little bit more advanced. We'll go one step further. So there are three companies now. Okay, here is year. This is company A. Okay, company A has profit like this, and here company B, it is loss. Okay, and company C is profit again. So the year is 2022. In 2022, company A has 120 profit. Okay, but everything is in terms of luck. Okay, everything is in luck, in lakhs. That means it is profiting 120 lakhs. Okay, and company B has 60 lakh loss. Company C has 150 lakh profit. Okay, like that. And in 2023, what about 2023? Company A has 140 lakh profit, 50 lakh loss, and 160 profit, 160 lakh profit, 170 lakh profit, 70 lakh loss, 180 lakh profit. This is 2024. Okay, so this is the chart. See, it's very advanced now. Okay, very advanced now. So the first question will be what is the average profit of company A in 3 years? Can you find it out? Average profit of company A in 3 years. I'll give you 2 minutes. So how will you do this? So we are focusing only on company A. Okay, we are focusing only on company A. Since we are focusing only on company A, just look only this one. How will you do it? You will add, okay, you will add only this 120 plus 140 plus 180 divided by 3 years. 1 2 3, so 3. Answer will be what? Upar mein it will be 440 divided by 3. So answer will be around 3 1 is 3, 3 4 are 12, 3 6 are 67 lakhs. Okay, now do you get it? Do you get it? So easy, right? Average company of profit of company A in 3 years. How you will do is you will just add those three profit, okay, and you'll divide it by the number of years, and you'll get your profit. Now next question: in which year is the net gain highest? What do you mean by net gain? Net gain means you you include the profit and the loss, and you will see how much amount you still get in remaining. Okay, like balance, how much balance do you get after income and expenditure? That is the net gain. Okay, so let's find out. Let's see what is the net gain. Okay, net gain, we're searching for net gain. We're searching for net gain. So in order to find out net gain, you will plus profit and profit, and you will subtract the loss. Okay, so let's see 2022. Let's see 2022. You will plus the profit 120 plus 150, and you will subtract with the loss. Okay, so how much do you get? uh, how much do you get? 0.7 true minus 60, that means 210. Okay, 210. Net gain in 2022 is 210 lakhs. What about net gain in 2023? Let's see. Net gain in 2023 is, you will add 140 and 160. You will subtract 50. Answer will be what? This is 300. 300 minus 50 is 250. Okay. So net gain 2023 is 250. What about net gain 2024? Net gain 2024, you will add 180 and 170, and you will subtract with 70. Okay. So how much do you get? 280. So which one is the highest? 2022, 2023, or 2024? Which one is the highest net gain? Highest net gain, see? Dekho,
24.
2024 net gain is highest. Okay. Do you know how to find net gain now? Net gain net gain means profit minus loss. Okay. You will see how much you profit, you will see how much you loss, and you will subtract, and the remaining balance means net gain. Okay. So 2024, it has the most profit. Okay. Now let's see again. This will be the last question for DI, okay, for tonight, because I don't think maybe some people will find it difficult to like digest. So, but this stuff will come, and I'll solve past questions again, previous year question for December cycle 2024 tonight. Um, Find ratio of total profit of company C to total loss of company B. So they're saying, um, find total profit of company C to total loss of company B. Okay. Total profit of company C to total loss of company B. So in order to find this, just find out the total profit of company A. Total P of company A is equal to what? Just add all the three. How much is it? Just say. What should I add? What should I add? Just see company A. What are company A? 120, 120, 140, 180. These three are plus. Okay, you have to plus the three. 120 plus 140 plus 180. Okay, so how much is the total profit? How much is total 40? Is 480. Okay. And now let's find total loss.
140.
Total loss of A. It's saying company C. Sorry, I'm writing company A. Let's do company C. How much is it? 150 plus 160 plus 170. So how much is it? 0 0 0 7 7 12 14 13. So it's 8 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4. Okay. What about total loss of company B? You will plus all the things. 60 plus 50 plus 70. Okay, so there will be 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 180. So now we have our total will be what? 480 is to 480 is to 180. Okay, so you will cancel out this 2, and you'll use 2. 2 9 are 18, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. And what can we still do? We can use 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 3 8 are 24. So that means 8 is to 3. Do you get it? Done. So easy, easy like drinking milk. Okay. Now let me solve past questions and let's do research aptitude, teaching aptitude for a while. Okay. These questions will definitely come. Past questions, previous year questions. I'll just show you. It's so easy. Okay. It's surprisingly so easy. So this one came in December cycle 2024. This is the chart. Okay. Wait. Let me just see. Wait. It's taking a while to upload it. Wait. Just one. Ruko jana. Do you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it or not? The chart.
Yes, I
Okay,
can see it.
so this is previous year question. Okay, previous year question. Five questions came from this chart. Okay, well, now let's do. The first question is what is the average marks obtained by students with highest scores in physics? So what is the average marks of students with highest scores in physics with four highest scores. Okay, four highest scores. Okay, so just see physics akan enge sang pen just see physics which are just mentioned
Mm.
Radhika Karan like that, mention it the name.
Radhika, Karan,
Karan,
Niras,
Niraj,
Sujata.
so Sujata, right? So these four will just write down. See, 90 plus 92 plus 86 plus 77 divided by what? How much should I divide since I'm searching like average? How much should I divide? There are
Four,
four people, right?
four.
One, two, three, four. So I'll just use like this. What should be the answer? Use calculator if you want. You can use calculator. 90 plus 92 plus 86 plus 77 is 345. Okay, 345. If you divide by 4, 345 divided by 4 is 86.25. That's it. It's so easy, right? This came in UGC NET. Okay, this is previous year question in December 2024, the last cycle. Okay, and next question is what is the overall percentage of current? Overall percentage of current. See, it's so easy. DI is so easy. Overall percentage of current. Overall percentage of current. Now, Alex, tell me what are the marks of current? Tell me the marks of current.
Mm, network problem. I can't see anymore.
Can't see.
Oh,
Can you see it now?
92.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
92,
92,
then
90,
90,
90,
90.
93.
Okay, let's add these three. Let's add these four. How much is it? What is the answer total? Let's see. What is the answer of this? You can use calculator. 92 plus 90 plus 90 plus 93. How much? How much is it? Total marks of current. How much is it? Just use calculator.
400.
Guys, you can even write in the chat box. 365, right? 365 is the total marks of current. Okay, total marks of current. Then what is the full mark? What is full mark? Full mark क्या है?
400.
Full marks is 400. Okay, so how do you find the percentage? It's so easy. In order to find out percentage, you'll write marks of current. Okay, marks of current divided by full mark. How you find out your percentage in class 10 is this is the same. Okay, multiply 100. So that means 365 divided by 400 multiply 100 is what is the answer? 365 divided by 4 is 91.25%. That's it. It's so easy, right? So these are the stuff that came in UGC NET, okay? Even in the last cycle. So next is, according to the marks obtained, what is the percentage of NIRAs in three best subjects? Percentage of NIRAs in three best subjects. Well, let's write here. Percentage of NIRAs in three best subjects. Israt, can you hear me or not?
Yes.
Tell me the three best subjects of NIRAJ.
86.
Tell me the subject, name of subject, naam bolo.
Physics.
Physics?
Yes, 86.
Okay. Or?
Chemistry 82.
Or?
And maths 75. English
No,
77.
I'm talking about three best subjects, three best subjects.
Okay, okay.
Physics, chemistry, then
Physics
what?
86. 82 chemistry.
And?
And English 77.
So these are the three best subjects, okay? So
Yes.
just add these three. Three best subjects of NIRAS is 86 plus 82 plus 77. Just add these two. Just three. 86 plus 82 plus 77. How much is it?
245.
245. What is the
245.
full mark then? What is the full mark? Full mark kya?
300.
Full mark is 300, right? So since they're asking like percentage, we'll just add like this. So you cut this 0 cut karo, or 245 divide karo 3. So answer is 81.66%.
81.66.
Sees it, okay? So now you already score 6 marks. You see, like each question carries 2 marks, so you already score 6 marks. It's so easy. These are previous year questions, okay? Only this chart came in the whole of paper 1, okay? But you'll carry 10 marks. See, it's still very good. This question came and there are follow-up 5 questions, and each question carry 2 marks. So pura mein kitna, it's 10 mark hai na. So it's so easy, okay? Maybe tomorrow we'll try to continue again. Now let's do can we move on to teaching aptitude, research aptitude or teaching aptitude? Let's do, okay, like for 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Focus a lot on research aptitude and teaching aptitude, okay? This carries the most mark. uh Alex, Haritiem,
Yes.
Haksa.
No.
Oh, no problem, right? So
Mm.
it's so easy, right? When you check past questions, okay, just see the eye. It's so easy. Like in the exam, you have tension. That's why it looks so difficult. But when actually you solve it, so easy. So now we'll do teaching aptitude. Okay, then we'll wind up. I hope the session is productive. Do you enjoy or do you think it's productive, Alex?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So let's do teaching aptitude. It's so easy, okay, teaching aptitude. But these are very important topics in paper one. I really suggest you guys to look more on this stuff, okay? Because like 6 or 7 questions will come, and 6 or 7 questions means 14 mark. 14 mark is so amazing. So teaching aptitude, and no, let me go for research aptitude first. Research, because research is more difficult. Research aptitude. What do you mean? Meaning of research aptitude. What is the meaning? Write this down in your notebook, okay? What is the meaning of research aptitude? Meaning of research, let's say. What is the meaning of research? Meaning of research is a systematic, you have to mention this, okay? It's a systematic and objective investigation, okay? Objective investigation for new knowledge. Okay, this is basically the definition of research aptitude. See, when you talk about research, you can't be biased, okay? You can't be biased. See, just an example, Messi and Ronaldo, let's say. let's say you are Messi fan or like Ronaldo fan, and you do research on Messi and Ronaldo. But if you're like a fan of Ronaldo, you want to give points to Ronaldo, right? So in your research, you just write, Ronaldo is better. He won this much and all. But you are adding your opinion only without writing the facts. Okay. So this subjective opinion. Okay. In research, that is not allowed. Okay. You can't put your subjective opinion. It has to be based on facts and statistics. Okay, you have to see how much Ronaldo has cups, how many goals he have scored in international or like club, right? You have to see how much international leagues he have won, how much goal he have scored in like club level, or how many Champions League he have won. So you have to do by the facts. That is known as what? Objective investigation. Okay, objective means like paka paka truth truth truth, not like making up or like just putting like ngaidan. Okay, not adding your own ngaidan, like your own opinion. There are times when you use your opinion, but the main focus is objective. Okay, like based on truth, facts. That is research. Next, types of research. Okay, types of research. Types of research is one is exploratory research. Next is descriptive research. Just memorize this. Okay. Next is explanatory research. Next is action research. Okay. There are so many types of research. Like for example, linear research is there, quantitative research is there. Okay, I'll explain everything here. This stuff can come. Okay, this stuff can come. Basic research. Okay, or pure research. What do you mean by basic or pure research? See, basic or pure research means you want to know the theory. Okay, you want to know like the what is the concept. Okay, for example, if you want to know about black hole, okay, or if you want to know about like gravity, if you want to know about human psychology, and you did research on that just to like make theory, just to make your knowledge increase, just to make you more like more clever, more knowledgeable. That is known as basic research. Okay, do you get it? Just for increasing knowledge, to develop theory or knowledge, like black hole theory, okay, like quantum theory. This is known as basic research. Okay, just to increase your knowledge. Next is applied research. What do you mean by applied research? Applied research means that can be applied very quickly, okay, in practical terms. Okay, for example, let's say like COVID-19 is there, right? COVID-19 is there, and people are dying every day. Like people, thousands and thousands of people are dying. So you're trying to make medicine for COVID-19, okay, vaccine for COVID-19, and you are doing research. Like if I use this medicine, what will be the effect on the body? Okay, why are you doing that research? You are doing that research so that today, tomorrow, people can eat that medicine and they'll get well. Now, do you get the meaning of applied research? Applied research means when you do research to use it tomorrow, today, like very quickly. Okay, that can be applied very quickly. Do you get it, Alex? Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Applied research
Mm.
means like COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, that when people die and you want to use it tomorrow, next week, very quickly. That is applied research to solve practical problems. Okay. Next is action research. No, wait, I'll not do action. Like, let me do more like more popular one. Qualitative.
Qualitative.
What do you mean by qualitative? Isra, just explain what do you mean by qualitative in like basic terms. What do you mean by qualitative research? Don't Google it or anything, okay? Don't use ChatGPT or anything.
Okay. Like in this we go through the depth information, like qualities.
Qualitative. Wait, let me write quantitative. Okay. So see, it's totally the opposite. Okay. What do you mean by qualitative and quantitative? Quantitative means quantity. Okay, like number base, numeric. For example, let's say for Alex, okay, like if Alex is going to, let's say, like Thanlon district, and he starts like how many people speak Gangte language. Okay, so you count the number of people in Thanlon who speak Gangte language, like let's say 10,000 people speak Gangte language. So your finding is 10,000 people. Does it involve number or not? Answer, Alex. Is that
It
numeric or
involves,
non-numeric?
yes,
Is it numeric or non-numeric?
it's numeric.
So it's numeric. Okay, if it's numeric, that means quantitative. Do you get it? When it involves number like statistics, data, and all. For example, if you search how many people died in COVID, okay, Corona, because of Corona, how many people died in Chorochanpur district? Then that is quantitative data. Okay, then you can find out like percentage, how many people, how many person use COVID-19 vaccine, how many persons are still alive, how many are still in quarantine. That is quantitative. Okay, I hope you get it now. But qualitative is non-numeric. Okay, non-numeric when it doesn't involve numerical data. Qualitative means like interviews and all, like when you do like interview, like for example if you go to, let's say, Singat or something, it's when you go to Isol or something, okay, and you ask people like, people, okay, people, like how do you think about Prime Minister Modi? Some people will say Prime Minister Modi is bad, some will say he's bad, he's good. They'll say their ngaidan, right? Their opinion based, okay, like, or like data involving like people's expression and all, okay, like emotions and all. Do you get it? Like English literature is qualitative, okay, because we are thinking about what is the author's intention, what is the author trying to say, okay, like what is Pulal Dena trying to say, what is Dr. Bilal Thangliana trying to say, okay. So when you think about like why and all, okay, why are people killing this, why is Israel attacking Iran, okay, like when you are asking those questions, it is qualitative. Now do you get it? Do you get it? I hope I clear it up, okay. And next, let's do steps in research, okay, steps in research, then we'll wind it up, okay, because already 10:30. Steps in research. Steps in research, what is the first thing you do? Identifying the problem, okay. What do you mean by identifying the problem? Meaning, like for example, let's say you are trying to do research, and your research area is Chorchanpur district, let's say. So in Chorchanpur district, you are saying, mm, why is education so low in Chorchanpur district? That is your thesis, okay. So that is your problem, okay, that is the problem that you are mentioning. Yeah, like why are you doing research? Okay, you have to have that question first. That is the most important thing. Like if you're trying to do PhD without knowing what you are going to do, what is the problem, then there's no point. So number one thing is, you have to search what is the problem, okay. What is the problem with Chorchanpur district, what is the problem with Lunglei district, okay. So you have to identify it first. Second, review of literature. Have you heard all this stuff? Review of literature. What do you mean by review of literature? Review of literature means you will see how many people have done research on this topic, okay. Let's see, you are a big fan of BTS Army, okay, and you want to do research on BTS Army like Jungkook or something like that, and you want to see like how many people have already done research on Jungkook on BTS. So you will like search like the internet, like you'll go to Sotganga, you'll go do Google Scholar and all. You will see, oh, this guy, this person, like Kim Jong Un has done already research on what are the names? I forgot. Jungkook, I know. Then like V and all, right? So he has
We
done on this topic. This person has done topic on what are their names now? I forgot. Jungkook, V, then who else? Uh, Let it be, okay, or like Taylor Swift, Justin Bieber. So you will see like what people have already done, okay, and you will list out everything, you will write down everything. Mr. Singh has done thesis on this one, Mr. Kumar has done research on this topic. You will find out everything. That is known as review of literature, okay. Formulating hypothesis. What do you mean by formulating hypothesis? Formulating hypothesis means you will write down what you will find. Okay, you will write down what you will find. For example, you are doing like Chorchanpur district is very like a good example because many of you guys are from Chorchanpur district, I think so. Hosia told me, right? So let's say in Chorchanpur district, how many people are Paite, how many people are Thado, how many people are Gangte. If you want to find out, you will write like a hypothesis. Okay, you will say this much person are Paite, this much person are Thado Koki. Like you will give like prediction. Okay, like another word for hypothesis is prediction. You have to give prediction. Okay, because if you can't give prediction, then you can't do research. Okay, you will give prediction, and while doing the research, you will try to prove. Okay, you will try to prove that prediction. That is known as hypothesis. Now do you get it? Hypothesis means prediction. Okay, I predict that my research will find this much amount of Paite people in Churchanpur district, this much people like Thadakoki in here, in Gangte people in here. So that is your prediction. Okay, next is research design. Research design, what do you mean by research design? Research design means how do you formulate your paper. Okay, like what theoretical framework do you use, like what theories do you use. Like for example, if you are doing like some post-colonial, like British people are colonizing our land, and from there Christian people came, right, missionaries came, so that is known as post-colonial theory. Okay, so there are so many types of theory, and research design means like what theory are you using to formulate your paper. Okay, like what is the scope of your paper. Basically, like how you are formulating your paper is known as research design, like your theoretical framework. Okay, and next is data collection. Okay, data collection. Data collection can be from primary sources and secondary sources. Okay,
And
what do you mean by primary sources? Just say, Isra, just tell me primary sources. Or Alex, tell me.
in this
Primary sources is the direct source.
mm,
So,
Isra,
and secondary
tell
is
me an example of primary source. Any example.
like which we take from books.
But there can be so
like
many
And
types of books.
like you ask
mm,
a person who is in debt, like
Yes, yes, yes.
you research about the war and you ask the person
That's
who is
it. Okay,
during that
that's
war.
it. That's it. That's it. See, primary sources can be in many forms. Okay, like for example, if you are doing a PhD in English literature and you are writing something about Shashi Tharoor, and if you use Shashi Tharoor's original book, that is your primary source. Okay, because the book is the original book. That is why that is your primary sources. And if you are doing research based on field work, okay, field work means going from place to place, asking questions, doing questionnaire, survey, interview. You are asking like I said, Alexis Gangte. So let's say he went to Thanlon, okay, Thanlon district. He asked the people like, who are you, Gangte? And Gangte person, one old man from Gangte tribe, he said, yes, I am Gangte, this is my story. And he got the information directly from that Gangte person. That is primary source. Okay, now do you get it? It can be of various forms. Okay, primary source doesn't necessarily mean only that interview answer. It can be also a book, but the book has to be the original book of the author that you are doing research. Okay, like for example, like I said, if you're doing book on research on Chetan Bhagat, the book of Chetan Bhagat is your primary source only. Okay, then what do you mean by secondary sources?
Like newspaper.
which is already collected by someone, so we
Yeah,
can go and just take
See, secondary
some
sources, yes,
information from
that's
there.
correct. Newspaper website is also a secondary source because they take it from someone else. Okay, from a reporter or something, from journalists. Again, they are taking second time. So, like for example, that Sasi Tharoor book, if someone did a research on that already, okay, like he already did research on that, and you are referring to that already done research, now it becomes secondary source. Okay, because the guy is already doing research and you are like taking that material again from him. So that is secondary sources. Okay, so there are so many ways of data collection. Like I said, questionnaire can be there, polling can be there. Polling like doing like poll in WhatsApp group, and also like Google form, doing survey during interviews. Okay, or collecting like library stuff, like government archives, okay, like sarkari documents and all. Sarkari documents are mostly primary, okay, because we trust them, okay, because sarkari archive them, like journals, like memoirs that the original author write with his own handwriting and all. Those are the primary sources, okay. Next is data interpretation, data analysis. Data analysis means when you collect the data and now you are analyzing it. Analyzing means, oh, this boy is saying this man is saying this. This is my finding. When I went to Thanlon district, I found this much Gangte people. Gangte people still using Gangte language. In Book P, I find this much Gangte. In Tingkang Pai, no, not Tingkang Pai. What other place in Thanlon? I find this in whatever, right? So you are now analyzing. You are like thinking in your own way. You are like giving your own opinion and like giving subjective, objective opinions. That is known as data analysis. Okay. And next is interpretation. That is the conclusion. Okay, interpretation or conclusion. Now you are finalizing everything of your conclusion. Okay. So guys, it's already 10 past. It's already 10. I hope it's fruitful for you. Do you enjoy the session?